Not bad. What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Dash Autoworks. In today's video we have Amir's new car, G63, and of course this guy already buys an exhaust. So we have a FI exhaust for the rear section of the muffler. There isn't any videos on YouTube, so I figured I would record it. Looks pretty straightforward though, that's probably why there's no videos. Just this clamp. He's gonna go buy a new bolt and screw right now, but it doesn't delete the secondary cats because that's a part of the downpipes and it goes all the way up. So there should be the valve connector up here and then just the two rubber hangers. So we're gonna get started on that while he goes picks up the clamps. Pretty nice car, 2020 G63, very clean. Maybe I can take some exhaust clips for you guys for a before and after. So let's get started. So this is a stock AMG muffler. We're gonna be doing a warm start. I mean, he just drove for like 15-20 minutes, no more, like an hour. So we're gonna start it up for you guys. I'll do some comfort revs and then I'll put it in sport, see if the valve's open. But with that muffler, FI muffler, it should be a significant difference. Not bad, pretty quiet. Got a special guest appearance. Yes, already. FI exhaust. Look at it. I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna undo the hangers first and then disconnect the valve, and then we'll take out that clamp. Okay guys, quick little update. Stock muffler is out. Didn't end up breaking the bolts. I thought they were gonna break because they're a little rusty, but I just took some WD-40 and all is well. So this is the valve. The FI comes with a different spring, so I have to see if I'm gonna just use that one or I'll probably just end up using the brand new one that comes in the FI valves. So we're gonna move this out of the way. It's hot. Open the correct side, I believe it's this one, and then we're gonna put it back up. Pretty straightforward. So let's put this to the side, put these to the side, and we're gonna slap the FI on the mat. Okay, so we have the FI here. As you can see, the muffler is significantly smaller, nice and brand new. I was talking about this. Honestly, it looks identical. I might just end up using this one, to be honest, because there's no point if it's identical. I can just use the right one then. All right guys, as I'm waiting for clamps, take a look at the interior of the facelift G63. Not bad, not bad. Definitely a step up from the old one. The old one was garbage. Not sure how this drives though, I've never driven one. But the interior seems solid. Now you guys tell me. Would you take this over an X6M? I don't think so. Not my money though. Congratulations, Amir. Update on the S-Class. Susan cracked the wheel. Wheel's sitting right there. Wheels cracked on the inside. It doesn't even matter, I'm not even gonna show you. M6, always just pretty. M5, just picked it up from the dealer. Another speaker broke, so that's fixed. E-Class has no AC, that's about it. Got the old mufflers here. These are the tips for the left side. Awaiting clamps. So that's about it. Not gonna lie though, the road presence on this thing, pretty sick. But overall, maybe if it was black, he's not gonna like that comment. Black would be nice. I know he did order a black badge here, a black badge is here, a black badge is here. Oh, and these smoked reflectors, so no more orange in the back, no more red. And I believe he wanted to change this as well. And he wants me to do a paint correction and ceramic coating. Amir does these things when he gets a new car. He redoes the tints, he gets an exhaust if he finds one, ceramic coating, paint correction, ceramic coat the wheels too, and that's it. Then he's done. Every car, same procedure. Giving them the final clean. Wipe them down. FI exhaust installed with the black chrome tips. He wanted them a little more inside, so I put them as much inside as they can go. Clean the other side, and then we start it. We're gonna be giving the G63 its first startup with the FI exhaust. We're gonna start it in Sport Plus. Sport Plus. Ready? It's louder, yeah? Give us some reps. First test drive. Not bad. I don't know what it sounded like before, so I can't really tell like if it's louder or not. Is it louder?
A little bit, yeah. It's like a little bit louder and a little bit more pops. Like you hear the pops a little bit more. I don't know which RPM it like pops and crackles, so you know what I mean?
Like 4? Yeah.
I would expect it to be louder, like kind of like when you're revving.
It was, because I did it before revving and it was quiet. I guess it's kind of like perfect.
Yeah, it's
not
like
too loud. Yeah. Send it. Not bad. Sound overall, I give it like a 7 out of 10. If I had downpipes, it would sound pretty crazy. But overall, since he did not pay retail price for it, it's a good exhaust. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And until the next one, we are out.